We need to get to the practical aspects of being your own bank. We need to look at the numbers. How are these numbers adding up? How can I actually be able to be in control of my money and be able to trade it and be able to take advantage of investment opportunities that are available there? So which platform do I use that allows me to be in control of my finances? And that platform is Sortika. Sortika is one of the personal wealth management solutions. It's a leading wealth management solution in Kenya that allows you to be in control of your own finances. And one of the things is that it is a secure platform supported by How Tree Capital Kenya, a licensed fund manager in Kenya, and it's a fund of funds. That means that it has listed other investment managers within the platform. But it is more than that. It provides you financial services, broad financial services. It has innovative tools that can help you be able to build your own reservoir from the money that you're spending on a day-to-day basis. Sortika allows you to save a portion of those funds onto your reservoir, and the reservoir within Sortika earns you an interest. After 1 week, your money is earning from 6.5% per annum. So you earn after 1 week 6.5%. You are earning this money. It is in your Sortika account, but it is still within your control because you can still make decisions on that money. You can still decide how to invest the money. You can still decide which opportunities to take advantage of, and it allows you to take these opportunities through a very strong model called the peer-to-peer loans. You can lend money to your family. You can lend money to your friend. They can borrow you securely there. And if you have followed up the Be Your Own Bank series, what we've been talking about is about protecting your reservoir. So Be Your Own Bank is three-pronged. There are 3 steps to it. Number 1 is build cash reserves. So you are able to build your cash reserves on the Sortika emergency fund goal passively, from passive savings. From every transaction that you do, you are saving without having to think about it. So we are not being asked to put money aside every month. Rather, it is the money that you are spending every day. A portion of it is being saved for you passively without any active involvement from you into your reserves. So you are building up your reservoir without having to think about it. Own your reservoir. Own it. Have control of it. So the Sortika emergency fund account allows you to be in control of your reservoir. What does it mean by being in control? It allows you to make decisions on the money that is there. So when you have put your cash reserves, you own the cash reserves. This is the process of being your own bank. Even beyond that, you can take advantage of investment opportunities. Sortika has listed both local and international investment opportunities. You have access to SIB Mansa X, giving you above market returns. Last year they returned 18.75% on the investment. You can take advantage of international investments like investing in Tesla, in Facebook, in global stocks. You can take advantage in investing in the Kenyan bonds market, in the Kenyan derivative market, the NSE derivatives. You can short the Safaricom share. You can short the equity share. So these are the opportunities that are available within Sortika, but you can only take advantage of these opportunities when you are in control of your money. Don't park your money where it is not adding any value. Don't park your money where it is not earning you any interest. Park your money in the Sortika emergency fund account because it gives you the opportunity to be your own bank, to have we want to see the numbers. We'd like to see, being your own bank, does it really help me multiply my money? Yes, it does, and we will be able to show you how that actually happens. And what we are saying is, if you want to start this journey and do it practically, click on the link below, sign up. You will get a financial advisor who will walk with you the journey on Sortika. It is possible. Hundreds of clients have already rolled up on this particular program. They are already saving on Sortika. They are already using the emergency fund to be their own bank. You should not be left out. You should be able to sign up on Be Your Own Bank program and start using the tools available on Sortika to multiply your cash flow. If you want to buy a car, why do you want to pay interest to someone else? Why do you want to go to the bank and borrow from the bank? Interest payment, tax payments, penalty payments, bill payments, reduce your cash flow. Remember, being your own bank is about increasing cash flow. Cash flow is the difference between your incomes and your expenses. Any amount of payment that you make outside, interest that you pay to another person, that person is the one who has cash flow. Any penalties that you pay to another person, those people are the ones who have cash flow. If you want to buy a car, it only makes sense if you can borrow yourself that money and pay that interest to yourself. If you want to finance an holiday, it only makes sense if you can borrow yourself and pay yourself that particular interest. Don't go and borrow other people. From the Sortika emergency fund, you can take loans from your own money and pay the interest to yourself. Or be your own bank. The tool to use is the Sortika emergency fund account. Download Sortika today. Start building your cash reserves with the passive savings. Home that money and make decisions. When you receive a loan request, lend. When you want to borrow from yourself and pay yourself interest. Reduce all the interest that you're paying out. So we will be demonstrating practically how be your own bank plan on Sortika, helping me multiply my money. So how do I multiply the money?
Sortika, Nikki spend na save.